You've probably seen the headlines, right? Like, if you work in tech, you might even be wondering if your entire software stack is just going to be completely obsolete in 3 years.
Oh, absolutely. Everyone seems terrified that generative AI is just going to eat the software industry alive.
Exactly. But what if the data says it's actually going to make the biggest software dinosaurs richer than ever?
Yeah, I mean, that is the surprising reality we're looking at today. We're diving into this really rigorous Bernstein financial research report.
Right. The one titled Global Software, Future of Tech.
That's the one. And our goal here is to really cut through that boardroom panic, look at the actual enterprise mechanics, and see if AI actually ends software as we know it by 2030.
Well, we have to start at the foundation layer, infrastructure and platform as a service.
Yeah, the IS and PaaS layer.
Right. So right now there's this really loud market fear that because cloud growth is slowing down, AI is somehow disrupting the major cloud providers.
Which is a huge misconception.
Because I'm stuck on the logic there. I mean, if AI is this incredibly powerful new engine, dropping it in doesn't break the car, right? Like the cloud platform. It just demands a massive amount of fuel.
Yeah, exactly. The data points squarely to the fuel. I mean, the current slowdown in cloud growth isn't because AI is breaking the model at all.
It's not.
No, it's simply cloud saturation. Like, we saw a massive pull forward of adoption during the pandemic when everyone suddenly needed remote infrastructure.
Oh, right. So companies already bought all the server space they needed when everyone was stuck at home.
They did. But AI doesn't diminish the need for that infrastructure. It actually, it radically expands the total addressable market.
Because it needs so much power.
Exactly. Training and running AI requires immense computing power, massive GPU and CPU clusters, sprawling data storage.
Right. So to actually leverage AI, companies are going to be forced to move even more of their critical workloads into the cloud.
Precisely. So the infrastructure layer is very safe.
Okay, so if the underlying cloud infrastructure is safe and actually growing, that leaves the applications built on top of it, right? The sauce layer.
Yeah, software as a service.
Right. So let me push back here. If an AI can literally write raw code, why wouldn't a startup just, I don't know, replicate a massive HR or accounting system over the weekend for a fraction of the cost?
It sounds easy, right?
Yeah. Like, what is actually stopping them from just bypassing the giant software vendors completely?
Well, that is the core argument against the incumbents. But the report points out a crucial reality here. Building an application is not the same as building a business.
Okay, wait, what does that mean in practice?
Well, an AI might write a really sleek HR app interface over the weekend, sure. But it doesn't automatically know the obscure, constantly shifting tax compliance laws of 50 different states.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I didn't even think about that.
Right. So getting the code to run is actually the easy part?
The hard part is the deep domain expertise.
Exactly. Which the established vendors already have hard-coded into their systems. I mean, they have intense security moats and experience managing what we call deterministic processes.
Deterministic processes, like things that have to be exact.
Yeah, processes that need to happen the exact same way every single time without fail, like running payroll or managing supply chains through an ERP.
And an enterprise resource planning system.
Right. You absolutely do not want a hallucinating AI guessing at your regulatory compliance.
Yeah, that sounds like a massive lawsuit waiting to happen.
Exactly. So the report actually called this dynamic the quick or the dead.
Oh, I like that. Meaning these massive incumbents are protected provided they are the quick and like rapidly embed AI into their existing management layers.
Yes. And if they do that, their existing distribution and deep understanding of customer data keeps them insulated from startups.
Insulated for now, at least.
Right. For now.
I mean, for now. Does that mean the AI revolution is overblown and once these incumbents adapt, the market just goes back to sleep?
Far from it, actually. The report offers a pretty stark warning here. Generative AI is not the final state.
It's not.
No, not at all. By 2030, we're going to get hit by subsequent, much larger waves of disruption. We're looking at things like first principles AI, quantum computing, and crucially, agentic AI.
Wait, break that down for me. What makes agentic AI a bigger wave than what we have now?
Well, the report uses this brilliant metaphor. Generative AI is just the tip of the spear.
Okay.
But soon, the spear gets replaced by the gun.
Whoa.
Right. Generative AI is a spear because you still have to throw it yourself. You have to write the prompt, guide it along.
Yeah, I spend half my day prompting these things.
Exactly. But agentic AI is a gun. You give it a high-level goal, and it goes out, finds the target, breaks down the steps, and executes them entirely on its own.
Wow. So it shifts from a tool that helps you work to a system that just does the work for you.
Yeah, which completely changes how we should be thinking about disruption. It's really a multi-wave tsunami.
Because the cycle of innovation is accelerating.
Exactly. Meaning the underlying tech stack will face continuous radical shocks.
Man, that is intense, which leaves you, the listener, with a massive question to chew on today.
Definitely.
If the generative AI tools you are racing to adopt right now are merely the tip of the spear, how do you future-proof your own career or your business against the next technology paradigm that hasn't even been fully invented yet?
It's a huge thing to consider.
It really is something to think about, for sure. Well, thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
It's been great.
Yeah, and if you want to keep cutting through the noise with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button. The analysis in our next deep dive is going to be even more exciting. See you then.